Now for the eyes, I'm just going to take some little balls, tiny balls of white fondant. You could certainly use royal icing and pipe it, especially if you were doing a lot of monkeys for the cake. Just a little ball, place it right up there. I didn't even need any water for it to stick. Okay, and then for the banana, just roll this out, got a ball, and then just kind of roll it just a little bit. Okay, for the banana, so I'll put this down, then I need a little bit of the yellow, which I've got right here. Roll it into a ball and then roll it out, and then just kind of flatten it. Place this over the white. And I really only do about 2 of those. Okay, and then we place it right in the monkey's hand. It looks like I forgot to put his little lines on his hand on that one, so I could still do that. Then for the, let's see, his nose, I need a little bit of that lighter brown for the nose. Oh, I'm sorry, the darker brown. A little bit of a ball, and then just make it a tiny bit more of a cone. Okay, now for the black features, it's way too small to do the fondant. So this is just a tip number 1 with black royal icing. 2 little dots for the eyes. I always like to do eyebrows, so squeeze, start in the center, squeeze, move to the right, stop squeezing, squeeze a little bit more here, move to the left, stop squeezing, kind of drag it around. And then the mouth is just like a couple of U's, so I always start in the middle and go one this way, and then start in the middle and go back. That way. And that is our monkey. We want to go ahead and do this little stream that's going through the center. So that we are going back to our blue fondant and our white. Mix some of this together. Okay, so then we'll take a little bit of water, and I want to go from way over here, kind of come up here and kind of make it curve down here and stop over here. Alright, so to do that, this might be a little too much, so let me take some off. Just basically rolling it into a cord. Okay, so then go ahead and pop it on. I came up here, where's that water? Something like that. And then start to push it down. Okay, and then I'm going to take this dressing tool and just make lines coming around, have the water flowing. That's good, something like that. Okay, and then for the rest of the scenery down here, I actually just used some royal icing. If it were on the side of a cake or something, you would just use buttercream there. So with the royal icing, I'm just going to take a little of that and pop it down here. So we're going to go all next to the little stream and all back in here, and wherever the cardboard is showing is where the green is going to go.